Okay.
I know how now.
I was making sure you got over the hump. You did a good job. You rode all the way up the hill.
I think that's a cursed flower.
Yeah.
What?
Yep.
Why are they growing out of our fence?
Because that's the direction it decided to go.
Because it's decided to go to our house.
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to
Woo. You okay?
I told you it tipped over. Ha!
Don't kill the plant.
You can only pick leaves that are.
No, don't pull the leaves off, Ben. That's not nice to the plant. That's how the plant gets its food. That's how the plant gets its food, through its leaves.
That's the last leaf that falls.
Are you done riding?
No.
Good.
Oh, this one's for you to get it open. Hit my elbow.
What about your elbow?
Like that. They
Doesn't
won't
hurt.
even feel it.
No, it's because you're wearing elbow pads to protect you.
Yep. One hit it. One hit it. Let's go look for blueberries.
Okay.